Hey guys, I'm back with another news thread about Samsung. So first of all, as you can see on the screen, here are the live photos of the Samsung Galaxy S9. Now on the front here, no major changes as compared to its predecessor. On the front, Samsung Galaxy S9 secured by Samsung Knox, powered by Android. The screen is only black, so you not recognize any bezels. But on the front, here is the changeable placement of the fingerprint sensor. Now fingerprint sensor is below the camera sensor on the Samsung Galaxy S9, which is more comfortable place. Now thanks to the leaks with the new price tags of Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. According to leaks, Samsung Galaxy S9 will be start at €841 in Europe, while the S9 Plus will be start at €997 in Europe. Now if we turn it into dollars, so obviously it is $1,000, so it is more expensive than its predecessor. Now thanks to the slash leaks for the retail box of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which is also leaked out. Now on the box, here the 6.2-inch full rectangular display, 6.1-inch rounded corners scored as the Plus Super AMOLED, super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel camera, OIS f1.5 and f2.4 video aperture, plus 12 megapixel another camera with f2.4 aperture. Super slow motion is also available, 8 megapixel selfie camera, stereo speakers tuned by AKG, IP68 water and dust resistance, iris scanner, 64GB of internal memory and 6GB of RAM, wireless charging, earphones tuned by AKG, and also secured by Samsung Knox. And another news about Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. It's been a while since Samsung launched a high-end tablet, but the wait could be almost over. A couple of days ago, an upcoming slide from the Korean company was spotted in a benchmark, and based on its model number, it's assumed to be the Galaxy Tab S4. Now it's been cached in the benchmark HTML5 test, where screen aspect ratio is confirmed as being 16:10. That's a bit odd considering that the Galaxy Tab S3 from the last year used the 4:3 aspect ratio. It looks like Samsung decided it was a time for a change. When you look at the screenshot, keep in mind that HTML5 test doesn't show the actual resolution of devices. The Galaxy Tab S4 will have a 10.5-inch 2560 by 1600 panel. The Snapdragon 835 chipset, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory, a 12-megapixel main camera and 8-megapixel secondary unit. It will run Android 8.0 Oreo from day one. Samsung is holding a big event at MWC in Barcelona this Sunday, February 25th. That's where it will unveil the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. But there's a slim chance we'll also see the Galaxy Tab S4 becoming official by the end of the week. So now let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. Were you guys excited for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus? And also, would you guys buy it or not? Let me know in the comments down. And yeah, see you soon.